Hi everyone. One of the things that I want to emphasize is that the way in which hedge funds often analyze things really comes up to their imagination. Now, if you can think it, you can get it analyzed for you. You can get somebody to do it. This, for instance, is an Excel spreadsheet looking at which stocks win in recessions and in recoveries. And what it does is it looks at past recession periods, and you can see them here, okay, and looks at the current one, and it says, okay, let's look at the biggest companies, and we've just listed the top 64 here. Okay, how did they do in recession 1, which you can see over here, recession 2, and so on, and what was their rate of recovery, which ones tend to do the best, which ones have drawn down the most, and what's been their return since. In other words, if you've got a theory, it can be tested, it can be outputted based upon that. And after all, this seems a plausible theory, that if some stock has tended to dropped by a certain amount in a past recession and then recovered in a certain period of time, and it's done it a couple of times previously, well, how much has it fallen so far? What's its recovery so far? Which might mean it can parallel going forward. Of course, there's no guarantees in the markets, but as you can see on this, you can pause the video anytime you want. It does give ideas for generation. Now, I wouldn't just off the back of that go into something, but at least it gives me other ideas to examine a thesis and based on which to do it. A lot of hedge funds, we do this. We use Excel spreadsheets to generate ideas, and we have data analytics people who will seed those. I then put it on my Telegram channel. Anything that I find, I will put on my Telegram channel as well, so that you can sort of see the thoughts and ideas that I'm coming up with. Okay.